Looking for the perfect Hawaiian getaway that combines beachfront luxury with authentic island culture? Let me take you through everything you need to know about the Hyatt Regency Waikiki Beach Resort and Spa, one of Honolulu's most iconic beachfront properties that has been welcoming guests since 1976. When it comes to accommodations, this resort truly offers something for everyone, with over 40 different room categories spread across 13 rooms. Let me break down what you can expect. The entry-level City View King rooms provide a comfortable 365 square feet of space, featuring a plush king bed, a cozy sitting area, and a private balcony where you can take in the urban landscape. These rooms come equipped with modern amenities including a 55-inch television, minibar, in-room safe, coffee maker, complimentary bathrobes, and free wireless internet throughout your stay. Prices for these rooms typically range from $250 to $450 per night depending on the season, with winter months from December through March being the peak period. If you want to catch glimpses of the Pacific Ocean without breaking the bank, the partial ocean view king rooms offer similar square footage but with enhanced balcony space and upgraded features like Bluetooth speakers. These rooms showcase beautiful teak furniture and local Hawaiian artwork that adds authentic island charm to your stay. For those who really want to wake up to stunning ocean vistas, the Ocean View King rooms are absolutely worth the upgrade. These spaces range from 365 to 500 square feet and feature floor-to-ceiling windows that frame breathtaking views of the Pacific. The rooms include a king bed plus a sofa bed, making them perfect for small families, and come with premium touches like Nespresso machines and upgraded luxury linens. Expect to pay between $400 and $700 per night for these oceanfront beauties. Now, if you are traveling with family or looking for extra space, the Regency Suite is where things get seriously impressive. At 850 square feet, these suites feature separate living and dining areas, 2 full bathrooms, a wet bar, 2 televisions, and some even include washer and dryer units. The private lanai and butler's pantry make you feel like Hawaiian royalty, with prices ranging from $800 to $1,500 per night. For the ultimate luxury experience, the Moana Suites spans over 1,200 square feet of pure indulgence. These multi-room sanctuaries offer panoramic ocean views, personal concierge service, and all the premium amenities you could imagine. Inspired by the historic Moana Hotel, these suites can accommodate up to 8 guests and start at around $2,000 per night. One family-friendly policy that really stands out is that children 18 and under stay free when sharing a room with parents, which can result in significant savings for families. The resort completed a multi-million-dollar renovation in 2023 and 2024, so many rooms now feature refreshed interiors with contemporary Hawaiian artwork, modern fixtures, and upgraded comfort features that blend traditional island aesthetics with contemporary luxury. The dining scene at Hyatt Regency Waikiki is genuinely impressive, with 9 different venues that emphasize Hawaiian fusion cuisine and fresh local ingredients. At the top of the resort, quite literally, you will find Atlas Waikiki, a stunning rooftop fine dining restaurant that serves Hawaiian international cuisine with spectacular ocean views. The menu features premium dishes like ahai poke prepared with the freshest local fish, succulent lobster tail, and premium wagyu beef, with entrees ranging from $50 to $150. The restaurant operates from 7 in the morning until 10 at night, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and maintains a smart casual dress code. With seating for 150 guests, reservations are highly recommended during peak times, especially if you want to catch one of their famous sunset tasting experiences. The sleek, modern design with infinity-edge views creates an unforgettable dining atmosphere. For a truly authentic Hawaiian cultural experience, you absolutely cannot miss the Helumoa Luau, which combines a traditional Polynesian buffet with an entertaining cultural show. Priced at $150 per person including the show, you will feast on kalua pig slow-roasted in an underground oven, traditional poi, and finish with delicious hula pie while watching fire dancers and hula performers tell stories of ancient Hawaii. The nightly shows begin at 5:30 in the evening and can accommodate up to 500 guests in an open-air setting that captures the magic of island traditions. Reservations are absolutely essential for this popular experience. If you are looking for something more casual, the Splash Pool Bar and Grill serves American Hawaiian favorites poolside from 10 in the morning until 8 at night. Think fresh poke bowls, juicy burgers, and tropical cocktails that you can enjoy in your swimsuit right by the water. Menu items range from $20 to $40, and the venue operates on a walk-in basis with a relaxed, casual atmosphere perfect for families. They also offer daily happy hour specials that are popular with guests. For steak lovers, there is a Ruth's Chris Steakhouse right on the property, serving their signature sizzling steaks and seafood towers in an upscale atmosphere. Filet mignon and other premium cuts start at $60, and the restaurant operates from 5 to 10 in the evening with a business casual dress code. Wine dinners and special pairing events are regularly scheduled, making it perfect for romantic evenings or special celebrations. The resort also features several other casual dining options, cafes, and grab-and-go locations throughout the property, ensuring you will never go hungry regardless of your schedule or preferences. The pool facilities at this resort are designed to cater to different moods and age groups, with 3 distinct aquatic areas that received significant upgrades in 2025. The main pool is the heart of the action, spanning an impressive 2,500 square feet with depths ranging from 3 to 5 feet, making it perfect for families with children of all ages. This pool features a swim-up bar where you can order tropical cocktails without leaving the water, beautiful waterfall features that create a tropical ambience, and plenty of space for swimming and playing. The pool deck is lined with comfortable loungers, and you can rent private cabanas ranging from $50 to $200 per day, which include dedicated waiter service, premium seating, and shade from the Hawaiian sun. For adults seeking tranquility, the Serenity Pool offers a quieter, more peaceful environment where you can relax without the excitement of families and children. This adults-only space is smaller and more intimate, perfect for reading a book or simply soaking up the sun in peace. For the youngest guests, there is a dedicated kids' wading pool with shallow water and safety features that give parents peace of mind. All 3 pools are heated year-round and operate from 5:30 in the morning until 10 at night daily. The resort provides complimentary towels, and you will find waiter service available throughout the day so you can order food and drinks without leaving your lounger. The resort even offers complimentary yoga classes by the pool, adding a wellness dimension to your aquatic relaxation. But the real star of the show is the beach access. The Hyatt Regency Waikiki sits directly on the famous golden sands of Waikiki Beach, with 50 yards of private beachfront that puts you steps away from the Pacific Ocean. The beach is everything you imagine when you think of Hawaii, with soft sand, gentle waves perfect for swimming, and stunning views of Diamond Head in the distance. The resort offers beach butler service, providing umbrellas and chairs for a daily rental fee of $40, though you can certainly bring your own towel and enjoy the beach for free. Water sports enthusiasts will love the kayak and paddleboard rentals available for $30 per hour, and the hotel organizes traditional outrigger canoe tours that give you a taste of ancient Hawaiian ocean traditions. The combination of multiple pools and direct beach access means you will never feel crowded, as guests naturally spread out between the various aquatic options. When it comes to activities and recreation, this resort truly shines with options for every interest and energy level. The fitness center is a state-of-the-art facility featuring top-of-the-line Technogym cardio equipment, weight machines, free weights, and spin bikes, all maintained in excellent condition. What makes it even better is that the gym operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so early birds and night owls alike can maintain their workout routines. The resort also offers complimentary fitness classes including yoga and high-intensity interval training sessions daily, led by experienced instructors who cater to all fitness levels. Beyond the gym, the resort embraces Hawaiian culture with authentic experiences that connect you to the island's rich heritage. Every evening at sunset, the resort hosts a traditional torch lighting ceremony, a beautiful ritual that has been performed for generations. Guests gather to watch as staff members light torches along the property while sharing stories and chants in the Hawaiian language. It is a moving experience that costs nothing but provides priceless memories. The resort also offers lei-making classes where you can learn to create traditional Hawaiian garlands using fresh flowers, a skill that connects you directly to island traditions. These cultural activities are what set this property apart from generic beach resorts and create authentic connections to the place you are visiting. For families, the Camp Hyatt Kids Club welcomes children ages 5 to 12 from 9 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon for $75 per day. The program includes Hawaiian crafts, hula dancing lessons, storytelling, and supervised activities that educate while entertaining. Parents rave about how engaged their children become and how much they learn about Hawaiian culture through these programs. The resort also organizes various excursions and tours to nearby attractions, with the concierge desk able to arrange everything from snorkeling trips to Pearl Harbor tours, helicopter rides over the island, and hiking adventures to waterfalls and volcanic landscapes. The Na Ho'ola Spa is a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation that draws on traditional Hawaiian healing practices while incorporating modern spa techniques. The spa features 10 treatment rooms where skilled therapists perform a range of services designed to melt away stress and restore balance. The signature treatment is the Lomi Lomi massage, a traditional Hawaiian technique that uses flowing, dance-like strokes to release tension and promote healing. An 80-minute Lomi Lomi session costs around $250 and is absolutely worth experiencing at least once during your stay. The therapists are highly trained and intuitive, adjusting pressure and technique to your individual needs. Beyond massages, the spa offers facials using tropical ingredients like coconut, papaya, and kukui nut oil, body scrubs that exfoliate and nourish your skin, and specialized treatments designed for sun exposure recovery, which is particularly relevant when you are spending days on the beach. The spa facilities themselves are impressive, including a sauna and steam room where you can detoxify and relax, vitality pools with varying temperatures that stimulate circulation, and a serene relaxation lounge where you can extend your spa experience before and after treatments. The spa operates from 9 in the morning until 8 at night, and booking in advance is highly recommended, especially during peak season. The resort requests 24 hours notice for cancellations to avoid fees. What guests particularly appreciate is the spa's incorporation of Hawaiian botanicals and traditional healing philosophy, which makes treatments feel authentically connected to the islands rather than generic spa experiences you could get anywhere. Many guests report that spa treatments here are highlights of their entire vacation, providing deep relaxation that enhances their overall well-being throughout their stay. Since this is not an adults-only resort, families will find the property exceptionally well-suited to traveling with children of all ages. Beyond the Camp Hyatt Kids Club already mentioned, the resort offers numerous family-friendly amenities and services that make traveling with little ones much easier. The pools are designed with families in mind, featuring shallow areas and lifeguards on duty during operating hours. The kids' wading pool gives toddlers and young children a safe space to splash and play while parents relax nearby. Many of the restaurants offer children's menus with familiar favorites alongside opportunities to try new Hawaiian flavors, and staff members are genuinely welcoming to families, never making parents feel like their children are unwelcome or bothersome. The beach is perfect for building sandcastles, playing in gentle waves, and introducing children to ocean swimming in a relatively safe environment. The resort can provide cribs, high chairs, and other baby equipment upon request, though advance notice is appreciated. The cultural activities like lei making and the torch lighting ceremony are particularly engaging for children, giving them educational experiences that feel like fun rather than learning. Many rooms feature sofa beds or can accommodate rollaway beds, and remember that children 18 and under stay free, which makes family vacations significantly more affordable. Parents consistently mention in reviews that the staff goes above and beyond to make children feel special, from greeting kids with leis upon arrival to remembering their names throughout the stay. The combination of supervised kids' club activities, family-friendly pools, safe beach access, and welcoming atmosphere makes this resort an excellent choice for multi-generational vacations, where grandparents, parents, and children can all find activities suited to their interests and energy levels. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.